we found a way to communicate all dual sport adventure touring, you know, adventure riding, emergencies, needs and wants otherwise in great detail across all language. Bridges all language barriers, including like hearing impaired. Check this out. Let me show the newcomers real fast what they can expect to find here on our channel, and then I'm about to blow your mind. Stand by. Oh my God. Check this out. I'm trying not to get too excited, sound like the sham wow guy. Guaranteed not to rust, bust, collect dust, stick, tarn, stain, or smell bad in foul weather spiel. My uncle used to always say that, passed away, God rest his soul. Bonnie and I made this thing because you're running, even traveling domestically, you run into situations where you don't speak the language. You're traveling internationally, it's infinitely so, especially if you get into these areas that have a new country every 80 feet. So we came up with a way, no batteries, no Wi-Fi, no signal, no anything, to legitimately, literally communicate with people from different languages, and like I said, even hearing impaired, as it applies to adventure touring as best we can figure out. Examples. Here it is, check it out. What you're able to do is, by this iconography we came up with, you're able to communicate these things and in detail with modifying icons. So I'm looking for Wi-Fi, I'm looking for cell signal, I'm looking for a city, I'm looking for accommodations, I'm looking for camping, I'm looking for free camping, I'm looking for free camping that also has access to firewood, I'm looking for riding, I'm looking for grocery, I'm looking for a city with grocery, I'm looking for an island, I'm looking for an island with camping, I'm looking for a tool to fix my tire, I'm looking to get a tow truck, I'm looking to do some riding in this area, I'm looking for medicine, I'm looking for medicine for a toothache, I'm looking for live music. All these things, and you can just go through it infinitely. I think one night we sat up and did like 600 statements in a row, and it was just and that was like the tip of the iceberg the more you dig into it. So by using the iconography and using the modifiers, you're able to communicate all these crucial aspects of touring, things, emergencies, getting your battery charged, all the things that you would where can I get power to charge my phone, all these things that you would run into that you would normally just ask somebody, but you can do it across all languages. We've had a great deal of success in sales, and we didn't even mean to. Like I said, we literally made it for ourselves and then thought, man, this is actually something that people could benefit from. So check it out if you do go there, and we did it on Spreadshirt because we can't find a screen printer that we can tow behind the motorcycles. But if you do go there, we are only selling the t-shirts on there. You can customize the designs and put them on other products, but I don't really recommend all the products because I haven't tried them. I did try the sweatshirt, and it just really didn't come out that well. Didn't come out that well. The sweater itself wasn't that great, but the t-shirts are awesome. Even the base grade t-shirt all the way up to the premium t-shirts and the other cotton long sleeves and things of that nature are also good, but I do not recommend the sweatshirts. And if you do customize your own design, be sure to choose a contrasting color, because it definitely helps when trying to point out the icon, the series of icons. So we recommend if you do customize the design, you factor those things, and you also keep the design as large as we've kept it on the shirt. Or you can just go in and choose from the selections that we have available, and actually we actually make more money if you choose the ones we have already posted in the marketplace. So consider that. And I'm telling you, man, this thing is cool. It's a conversation piece. Story Moto out.